I'm addressing this session. So since morning, all of us have gone through a lot of defense terminologies where we have seen the defense modernization, self-reliance, Atmanirbhar Bharat, leader in economic growth, and how we are providing different kinds of infrastructure for n number of industries, and what we are doing for the defense sector. So as you can see that at present Maharashtra's economy is almost $530 billion, which is nearly 16% of Maharashtra, mainly construction, auto, metals and fabrication, electronics and telecommunication, and contributing to the Maharashtra's growth story. And in terms of all these areas, Maharashtra's compound annual growth rate is more than what we can see of India. So what is Maharashtra's strength? Maharashtra's strength is infrastructure. So our infrastructure is spread across traffic in India, that is Vadhavan Port. So all these ecosystem is needed for the defense manufacturing units. So Maharashtra is already on the way to establish all this ecosystem. These are our industrial growth areas where you can see, apart from Mumbai, Pune, Nashik, Chhattisgarh, there are 10 number of ordnance factories spread across Maharashtra.